Today I'm going to show you how you can make wine using ice cream. You will need ice cream and a microwave safe plate like this one, bowl like this one. Here's the ice cream. I'm gonna put tabies in. Put some in. 2 tables. Okay. And then when I'm done with the spoon, I put it in there. Close the lid. There. I'm gonna put it in the freezer. And then I'm gonna microwave this for 30 seconds. It's a microwave safe bowl. We're gonna wait on the bowl. We have 20 seconds left. We have 15 seconds left. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And this is what your concoction will look like. And then get a wine glass. Like this. And although it may closely look like hot cocoa, and then let's rinse my bowl after having enough, and thanks for watching.